We're hoping for 2 flights today. One with these awesome lights on here, including that bright headlight, sorry. And another with a very cool feature on here. We can add a camera inside. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family.
I got a helper today with the camera.
Guys, on our channel, our goal is to just have fun in the RC hobby and bring you along with us. Hopefully along the way, you find something you like, just the perfect RC for you. Today we're gonna have some fun with this Zod Orbit Neon. This is a very cool setup, not just because of the lights and the really tough foam it's made out of, but as I showed you earlier, you can take this off. This front, which has a traditional GoPro style camera slot, fits perfectly, and you can go FPV if you like. So you've got a lot of camera platform options, or if you're not a camera person at all, you just fly with the light. So I think we're gonna put the camera in there first and fly that with Amelia. Hopefully this goes well. And then the second flight, if this goes well, we'll put the light on and do some almost absolute nighttime flying. I'm really excited. Hopefully you guys are too. We'll have all the good stuff linked in the description box below. Let's fly.
Oh, fail.
We were close.
Yeah! Let's darken that up a little bit. I have a helper standing up on my monopod right now. There's Terry. Thank you, Terry.
Thank you very
Everybody
much.
say thanks to Terry in the comments.
This is easy to fly once you get it in the air. I have to figure out how to launch this by yourself, because I don't think I can swing it around me, because the way the wings plug in, it's kind of like, you know, it'll come unplugged unless I tape those in place or glue them in place, which I might have to do. Now that the plane is together, I'm probably gonna have to put a bunch of tape on there, but it's in the air and it's flying great, so let's have fun with it. You guys, there's a GoPro on front, which you probably have seen by now. Actually, it's a really cheap knockoff camera, and hopefully it's giving you like a really good angle. I think it probably is. This plane has auto flight stabilization, just like the plane recently featured on our channel, the brain that I had to tear out of the plane. This one actually works, and it's working really well.
I love these wing style planes.
Well, this would be a good one for you to try, Abby, because that flight stabilization, watch, I'm literally hands-free right now, and it's flying so perfectly level. Even with some evening breezes coming in, watch, I am hands-free. It's kind of just helping it stay nice and super smooth.
Well, that's good, because like I said in yesterday's video, I was hoping that you would fly the other Zod and I could fly in the other one, you know, since we have 2 of this brand. I like it.
I like this a lot too.
I saw some reviews where people didn't seem very impressed with the lights, but for this time of day,
no, it's great.
I like it.
See the lights. I've got really good orientation because I know the bright white lights are on the bottom.
Darken it up a little bit just so you guys can maybe see the lights a little bit better. Nate, take it up high.
When I roll it, let's see. I'll try to give you.
You know the camera never does justice on lights.
There you go. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's the bottom side.
The bottom looks the best.
Right.
And I like that because you're always looking at the bottom of the airplane, but there are still lights on top, so you've got orientation. Guys, this thing is flying really well. Hopefully I'm not making you too dizzy with that action cam.
And is the flight stabilization working?
No, perfectly, yeah. I can feel it. Like when I let go of the controls in an instance, watch, like really quickly, and I let go, you can see it kind of wobbling and twitching a little bit. That is it taking over and smoothing it out. See, right there? See how it's doing that? Maybe it's at my feet.
This is the first video in a long time that Amelia has been out for and not napping.
This thing is fun, Abby. You would like this a lot. Which one did you say you wanted to fly?
Probably this one.
Yep, you'll like it. The stabilization works great.
I was hoping the stabilization would work.
Oh yeah, really, really nice.
Maybe this will be the plane to bring back my confidence with planes.
Well, I mean, this is a fairly agile plane. I'm surprised you wouldn't want to come back with gliders. But I think
something like a wing, something about a wing I just like. I'm
pretty sure everyone can relate to what you're going through right now. You crashed. Oh, I had to look away for a second. You crashed and you've just been a nervous wreck trying to get back into it. I've kind of encouraged you to fly a couple things and you do it.
It's not just a crash, it's multiple
You had
crashes.
about 3 in a row that
and
were nasty.
on things that shouldn't be crashed as well. Just even things that truck crashes that weren't even seen on the channel.
Look how smooth this is. I mean, I don't think I've done many loops. Let's do a loop. The loops on this are just awesome.
Let me zoom out on that.
This is a really nice plane. Really nice. You see what's going on? Mm-hmm. I mean, I can just loop all day long. That is sweet.
I love it.
It sounds good too. Sometimes these pusher prop planes scream a little too loud for my liking. This just has a good sound. Oh yeah. Flies really well. I love our RC Sailor stickers on there. I can see them every time I see the top of the wing. It looks so good. What a really good plane to fly in the late evening. I even have my sunglasses on still, which is kind of stupid. And I can still see this really well. I wish I didn't have my sunglasses on now.
And you know, the camera settings, that's about normal. So for those of you who are like, you're not supposed to fly at night, it's not night.
Abby, I don't know how long we've been in the air, but I think it's about
5
time to
minutes.
land. Yeah, let's land.
Actually, it might be longer because I don't know how many times
I've been
you took off
pushing
that I
it
filmed.
pretty hard, and I didn't put a LiPo alarm in there. I think we were just in a hurry to get this in the air, so let's go ahead and bring this down. And I think we'll do a quick flight with that headlight on there, and then we'll wrap it up. Oh, that was awesome.
GoPro is replaced with a headlight. Oh! The issue is from where the wings just plug in, you can't really do a traditional like swing by the wing hand launch, and then there's nothing really to grab underneath the plane to throw it, and then the props in the back, so you could risk getting your finger when you throw it. So it's kind of hard to launch. That's probably the only negative thing we could say about it. Look at Amelia. She's crawling through the jungle with a dirty butt.
The only issue with this is I have to figure out a good way to
That's what I was telling him, yeah.
That's it, because, and I think I just need to glue the wing in place and I'll be good.
Yeah.
Really the point of this little segment here is to show you that bright headlight. That's all I'm shooting for. I took my sunglasses off, put my regular glasses
Here,
on, but look at this headlight. Look at
darken this up a little bit.
Look at that. That is so bright. It flies better under power, so I'm trying to give you a nice slow pass to see the headlight on here. It is super bright. That's crazy at the right angle.
I like it.
That's awesome. Abby, you're gonna love flying this. I just have to pretty much make those wings permanent, and I think we're set. So yeah, right now,
like glue the wings in.
Yep. Flight stabilization is off, so we should be able to roll it and stuff. But I just want to land it while it's still in one piece because you like this, and I want to keep it for you. It is flying so funky right now.
That's what I was wondering.
It's like
what is
partial flight stabilization.
It's kicking back and forth.
Yeah, it's not good. I need to come in under some speed. That's okay.
Yeah, so we got some work to do on this plane. Whoops, wrong way.
But I think this is going to be a fun one for you to just kind of kick around and have some fun with. Okay, let's bring it in. 0 power. Oh, it flies great with no power. Look at that. Awesome. Yep. Once those wings become a permanent part of that plane and they can't unplug and plug back in anymore, I think it'll be easy to launch. Yeah.
Hey, we always say welcome to our RC family.
Yeah, this is it.
Our crazy family.
We're not here to hide stuff or sugarcoat stuff, but I also don't want you to have to listen to a crying baby. So if you like this plane, we'll have all the good stuff linked in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.